Okay, then there's point of view marketing. So POV. So point of view marketing is just telling the truth about what you see. Just saying the truth about what you see from where you stand. That's point of view marketing. This is the fundament of all your emails to your list, all your social media, any presentations you do, it all comes down to point of view. And what point of view is this. You're saying, look, and this is a good phrase to write down, a good phrase to use, is, look, whether or not you work with me, this is what I recommend. Yeah, my agenda here is not that you buy from me. My agenda here is that you solve your problem. My agenda here is that you get help. So whether or not it's with me, because there's a lot of reasons it might not be a fit. So if it's not a fit, it's okay, but let me just give you my best advice. And this is because if they don't buy the concept, they're not going to buy your course. If they don't buy the perspective, they won't buy your program. It's like that. This comes first.